When you first start a project in AWhere, you'll want to load some base map layers. These will serve as building blocks for your AWhere project. AWhere projects allow you to create and consolidate a series of maps for display and analysis. These projects may be one-time mapping tasks, or a robust library of maps and data specific to your organization that you'll return to later and build upon. There are various options for loading that initial set of map layers into AWhere. Which map layers you load depends on your geographic area of interest. When you first launch AWhere, a default Global Boundaries dataset is loaded. There are some exceptions to this, such as a custom data installation when you purchased AWhere. If your area of interest is a global extent, then you have all you need right here to begin working. However, you don't have to use this default dataset. You might choose a continental region or even a USA dataset. AWhere comes installed with a number of project starter templates. These can be accessed via the Open Project dialog window. You may use any of these templates to begin a project. When you open a template over an existing project, AWhere will ask if you wish to close that current project. From the File dialog, you have the option to set your default dataset, and AWhere will load that dataset each time. Otherwise, the default global dataset will load each time. If none of the installed templates satisfy your needs, you should visit the Data Download section of the AWhere website. We have a large selection of prepared data that you can load into AWhere. If you have a trial license, you're limited to only 3 downloads. However, a licensed AWhere user has unlimited access to the data. Datasets that are downloaded from AWhere are in the form of AWhere Exchange files. These files have a .amap or AMAP file extension. Double-clicking on an AMAP will launch AWhere and display the map data. You may also open them using the traditional File dialog. Or, if you wish to add them to existing data, you may import them using the File, Import, and Import AWhere Exchange file. The wizard will step you through the process. Further information on working with AWhere Exchange files will be covered in a future video. Once you've loaded the base map layers, you should save this loaded dataset as a new AWhere project. When you save an AWhere project, a new folder is created and the files are saved in that folder. Once your project is saved, you can open it again from the File dialog by clicking on the AWhere project file, located in the appropriate folder. You may also wish to set your project as a default. This is optional and will always open your new AWhere project when you launch AWhere. You can find additional information about your options for loading sets of base map layers into AWhere in the main AWhere help file accessed from the Help menu. If you'd like to read more about the differences between AWhere project files and AWhere Exchange files, please refer to the AWhere Projects and Exchange Files Best Practices cheat sheet available from the Cheat Sheets page of the AWhere website.